TechBrite's retrofit kit wired for LED tubes is the quickest, most economical way to begin to realize the energy efficiency generated by converting to LED technology. TechBrite's retrofit kit is pre-wired to speed installation. If your LED tubes require single-end wiring or wired opposing ends, TechBrite has the pre-wired kit for you. TechBrite's retrofit kit is designed to neatly and safely hide the electrical connections and wiring. And while many installers simply replace the existing fluorescent fixture with the same number of LED tubes, most end users find the retrofitted fixtures too bright. Additionally, reusing the existing sockets in a fixture could be dangerous, as the vast majority of existing sockets are not rated for direct line voltage. TechBrite's retrofit kit addresses these issues and more. First, our retrofit kits wired for LED tubes only use sockets rated for direct line voltage. Second, TechBrite offers a 2, 3, or 4 lamp troffer retrofit kit and a 1, 2, or 3 lamp strip fixture retrofit kit. The flexibility allows the contractor or end user to choose the correct number of lamps desired in his or her application, saves energy cost, and increases user satisfaction. Converting to LED tubes using TechBrite's retrofit kit offers even more benefits. LED tubes have a rated life of at least 50,000 hours, thereby reducing maintenance time and cost by fewer tube replacements than fluorescent. With lumen per watts exceeding 140, LED tubes will reduce energy costs by as much as 60% over fluorescent. Pre-wire kits from TechBrite reduce installation times by as much as 20% over field conversion, greatly reducing labor cost. LED tubes operate at lower temperatures than fluorescent, making them ideal for cold environments. TechBrite's retrofit kits are designed to reuse the existing fixture, eliminating the time and cost of disposal. Additionally, not having to crack the ceiling reduces the debris falling from an acoustical tile ceiling for a cleaner installation, saving cleanup time and cost. Whether you have TechBrite supply your LED tubes or provide your own, TechBrite's retrofit kits wired for LED tubes provide a clear advantage for a safe, economical retrofit kit that will be easy to install and capture countless savings opportunities.